Hello, good afternoon. Today is July 31st, 2022. I wish to discuss about the pattern in Bitcoin and in relation to this book, which is the Elliott Wave theory by Robert Proctor. That is the Bible in Elliott Wave. Elliott Wave analysis. It's called Elliott Wave principle because Mr. Proctor believes this is not only a theory but a law. Similar to laws called a principle, and that's called Elliott Wave principle. This means that it can apply to all market, no matter what. And you can see that it's quite possible to be explained using the Elliott Wave theory for the wave pattern now. The wave pattern now we can see in Bitcoin. We can see that Bitcoin, that is the daily chart, you can see all the prices move to the top and then going down and up and down again. We can analyze this leg, the decline from here all the way down to today. This means that the Bitcoiners start from the beginning, it always rise, and at the wave one, and now we are experiencing the wave two, all the way declining. And according to this Elliott Wave pattern, we should have the wave A, B, C, and A should be the 5 wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a corrective wave, and then another wave down. So we see whether we can do that 5 wave counting in a Bitcoin. So let's try. We select here is the motive wave pattern, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the wave 1, right? And the wave 2, that corrective wave 3 is on the way. It shouldn't be the shortest though. We are now experiencing wave 3 and wave 4. Sometimes we never know. So just click it here. That is called a motive wave down. And if this count is correct, we should have 5 waves here in wave 1. Let's see whether I can do it. Before that, perhaps we will count the corrective wave. Can we do an ABC counting here? I think we can, it look like a corrective wave. A, B, C, okay. So we count the ABC counting, and that a corrective wave. So it's the A, B, and C here. And this should overlap with that. Okay, the counting is like that. So if we can count 5 waves here, that is the motive wave down, ABC wave, corrective wave, and then we must be in the third wave down, and that it will be very, very dangerous for the Bitcoin. That means that the price will be on the third wave, and that should be quite long on the decline sign. So for this correction, it very likely will go down again, rather than go up. Otherwise, we violate this assumption of the Elliott wave count. So all we have to do, we can have 5 wave counting here and another 5 wave down counting here. Then let's try. Because we have the counting here already, so we make another. Oh, sorry, it's not easy. Anyway, count again. If I make this means we remove this first. Oh, okay, and then leave it here. Then we start another wave. Let's count this wave. A motive wave. So we do 1. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's better. Oh, I can mess up again. Oh, no. Gotta remove all of them. Yes, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. Because that the fourth wave should never go above. This is the fourth wave. Should never enter the territory of wave 1. So that's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the third wave is never be the shortest. Okay, that wave. Okay, and that the correct wave ABC, and we should also have a third wave counting here. That should be able. So I have another wave here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth wave never enter territory wave 1, and the third wave is not the shortest. And now that means that it's one motive wave, one corrective wave, one motive wave, and that a correction. And that correction wave will end very soon and will go down again. If my counting is correct, because counting is not a science. Everybody will have different way to count. For me, it may be a sensible counting. And so this will be going in line with the book predictions like that. And this book is the Bible. I would say it's the Bible for Elliott Wave counting. This book by Mr. Praxer and Mr. Frost. I would provide a link to this book, and you're interested, you can buy that from Amazon and learning it, and perhaps you will become a